Hi, my name is Pete Sechler. I'm the director of the Community Solutions Group here at GAI. We are the urban design, landscape architecture, and economic development function of the company. We are really committed to building great community. We work for municipalities, we work for regional planning authorities, counties, but we also work for large community institutions like hospitals and universities. And then finally, we work for private development that's investing in communities. So we feel like wherever we go, wherever we are, we want to not only meet the needs of our direct clients, but we also want to have our work be contributing to a better community and a better society for the folks that live and work in the areas that we practice. We launched the Community Solutions Group in 2015 at the start of the year. And it was really, I think, the culmination of an initiative that GAI had been on for a few years previous, which was really to expand and diversify the ways in which GAI can interact with community. There was a landscape architecture and a planning component that had started to take root here. There was an economic development and market analysis function that was here. And when we launched the Community Solutions Group, it was an opportunity to bring all of those practices together and sort of direct them towards holistic outcomes for community, integrated solutions to complex issues within our cities, and also link to the other practices at GAI through sort of the hierarchy of high-level, broad community visioning down into implementation. We have lots of technical capabilities within our group. I tell people all the time, we have lots of answers. The signature thing that we need to do as professionals is listen carefully at the beginning to understand what the questions really are before we start applying our answers or applying our value sets to a situation. We certainly, as professionals, we certainly have things that we believe in that have a tendency to create favorable outcomes or non-favorable outcomes. And we always feel as professionals that we're going to get an opportunity to weigh in with our perspective and our professional recommendation. But we feel like it's very, very important to hold back our personal thoughts until we've really heard what the community is thinking about and what our clients are thinking about. And then we can determine, what tools we want to recommend and what tactics we want to try to deploy to help them get where they're trying to go. So integration of services within GAI has been, I think, a great relationship for us. I think it happens in a couple of different ways. One, probably the most pragmatic level, is simply that horizontal infrastructure, civil engineering and landscape architecture, and I would also add environmental restoration and sustainability practices. That kind of horizontal infrastructure really is best executed when it's done in an integrated fashion. And so being able to connect horizontal infrastructure for our public and private clients as an integrated service has been a great way to distinguish ourselves in the market and also provide great results. Every year, we try to submit a few projects for awards, and we think that awards recognition is an important aspect of our practice. I think when you look at it in the broader sense within the industry, it's certainly important that our clients understand that we're doing good work, that potential clients understand that we're doing good work. And frankly, I would also say that in the sense of client success, we have a lot of clients on the public side that we may be working on a project that is very important to us, but we can't lose sight of the fact that that project is very important to them. And we've got a number of clients where it's incredibly satisfying for them to also be receiving the award and know that they're, leading, participating as a leader in the industry and moving their community forward.